Hey guys, this is Cal with Off Leash Canine Training, and in this video I'm working with Zuri, the calm and sweet 1.5-year-old female Bernedoodle. At home, Zuri struggles with some issues such as pulling on the leash, counter surfing, mouthy behavior, as well as some other issues. Zuri is also pretty fearful, particularly of men, and all of these reasons are why her owner decided to sign her up for our 2-week board and train program. During her 2 weeks with me, I'll be working on Zuri's obedience as well as helping make her more confident, so her owner can take her out in public easily more often. This video will cover the progress she makes with me during her 2 weeks, so stay tuned to see her final results.
Hi, I'm Ann, and this is Zuri, and we did board and train for 2 weeks. Zuri was well behaved, but had some issues with strangers and confidence, and a few behavior problems that I don't think I was doing well enough on my own. So I decided to send her. She is more confident now. She's doing a great job with the heel. I can tell that she's tired, but she's just still my same lovable dog, but now I know that I have control over her. I can take her anywhere, and this has just opened up her world immensely to where she's going to get to go everywhere with me now.